How you guys doing? This is Adrian from AutoMarketplace, bringing you guys this 2015 BMW 3 Series review. This vehicle is also for sale. If you guys are interested, don't forget to hit us up in the comment section or just shoot us an email. Today we're reviewing this beautiful black on black 2015 BMW 320i xDrive. It has a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder engine that gets 180 horsepower. The estimated miles per gallon is 23 city and 35 highway. This particular 320 xDrive was acquired certified pre-owned in early 2018 for $21,000 and had over 25,000 miles. In 2015, the 3 Series came in 3 primary trims: the 4-cylinder 320i and the 328i and the 6-cylinder 335i. The famous BMW M3 is the high-end performance end of the 3 Series lineup and really deserves to be in a category by itself given its price point and over 400 horsepower. It's also worth mentioning that in 2015, the 3 Series lineup did have a diesel, wagon, and Gran Turismo GT trims. The GT trim had a crossover styling with a slanted roof in the back. The 2015 model year was towards the end of the 6th generation 3rd Series lineup before the introduction of the 7th generation G20 3 Series in 2018 for the 2019 model year. We're here in the inside of this 2015 black on black 320i. This vehicle has adjustable side mirrors. You could adjust the left and the right side mirrors. Adjustable seating, electric. Also has adjustable steering. Everything is nicely laid out. All your instrument panels are readable, always classic BMW styling. Also have this beautiful console here. Easy to manage through the controls, through the multimedia system. Has your classic ability to go into sport mode, custom mode, and eco mode. Also has dual climate control, so the passenger can control their climate and the driver as well. This vehicle is equipped with the iDrive system, which pretty much tells you everything about the vehicle. I'm going to walk you guys through a couple cool features about it. So if you go down to vehicle info, you could get all the latest vehicle status, like your tire pressure, you could also check your oil level. You can see if you have any pending service that's required. And this vehicle is also equipped with a power sunroof. You know, perfect on those nice days, especially summer is right around the corner. Drive with the sunroof down. As you can see, this car is a 2015 3 Series BMW. It's been kept immaculate. All maintenance have been done on schedule at BMW of Brooklyn and Manhattan. Hey guys, I'm in the back seat of this 3 Series black on black 2015 BMW. We have power windows over here. We have a little space where you could put your little knickknacks, magazines, sunglasses. It's a 3 Series, so you know you're not gonna expect a lot of legroom. But you know, I'm 5'9", a big dude, 280 pounds. It's okay, it's comfy. It has controls back here. You can control your heat or your cold. You also have the ability to control the lights in the back. Also has, the passenger has a cup holder, and the driver also as well has a cup holder. Very roomy for a 3 Series. Beautiful car, beautiful feel all around. As always, BMW always outdoes themselves. Currently, the KBB price of the 2015 320i xDrive that has standard packages is estimated to be worth. Thank you again, everybody, for joining us. We hope you enjoyed this review, and please let us know any questions in the comments below.